Okay, are y'all hungry? Let's get cooking. Okay, ready? Dinner is ready with Debbie. All of our appliances come with a deluxe cooking guide. It gives you all kinds of different recipes. It also gives you different tips for different things to make in here. How to make roasted veggies, chicken, fish, and seafood. This is for the air fryer. So what I'm going to do is one of the recipes in here are air fried French fries. So I take this recipe, but then I make them garlic parmesan, and they're very good because I like garlic. I am going to peel some potatoes. You can absolutely leave the skin on, but I like peeled potatoes, so I'm going to peel them. So I'm going to make it in our air fryer in our rotating basket. I love the rotating basket because it helps air actually get around the entire French fry. And when I say rotating basket, the basket rotates just on the rotisserie setting. So what I do is once I peel the potatoes, I will use the Rapid Prep mandolin to make French fries. The Rapid Prep mandolin is one of my favorite items. If anybody's ever lost to a mandolin, this is the answer because your hand never goes near the blade. So this is how it stores. And then you open this up. You have the food pusher. This pump goes right up. This protector thing comes down. Put the little food pusher in there. Little plastic thing. This is all dishwasher safe. So there's that. It comes with a dual-sided cleaning brush to help you get the little things out from here. If you do like julienne zucchini, sometimes I'll need to use the brush to get some of the extra zucchini out. I use this for turnips and parsnips and zucchini and French fries, and it's really good if you ever have issues like with sweet potatoes because they're harder. This goes through sweet potatoes without a problem, and it's a great way to get kids in the kitchen because, again, they can help prep. They're more likely to eat it, and it's safe because their hands never go near the blade. Now, this in the back, see, can you hear the suction? It sticks to the counter so it doesn't move around. So there are 3 settings on top, which is the French fry, the julienne, and then the slice. And then all 3 settings also have 8 thicknesses. And all you have to do is turn the knobs. This is going to come out as a French fry. If I wanted dice, I would just take them out of here, put them back through, and then it will just cut them again. So watch this. Ready? There you go. So if I didn't peel the potato, they could be done that much quicker. Just put the next one in. Okay, so I'm going to pour the water into this. I'm using this is the 2.5 quart colander. We also have a 5 quart. This is great if you need to reserve pasta water. This is one of our stainless steel bowls. There's 3 sizes and it comes with lids. And it has a little place for your thumb. But so what I'm going to do is I'm going to pour this back in the glass mixing bowl. Get this out of the way. I'm going to put a little bit of oil in here. I'm using garlic infused canola oil. And this is one of the recipes that are in the cooking guide. So it calls for 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. So like I said, I'm just gonna go ahead and put some of this. And then it calls for some salt. So I'm gonna put a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. This is our adjustable measuring spoon. We have one for tablespoon and one for teaspoon. So this is the teaspoon one. And it's nice because no matter what size, you can adjust it as you need it. And then I'm gonna mix this up. Now, this is where I take the recipe that is in the cooking guide and make it my own. So I mix this in. And now I'm going to put some garlic Parmesan seasoning. I'm gonna go ahead and put 2 teaspoons. And this is actually made that it works really well in the air fryer, the seasoning. I'm gonna mix it up, and then I will cook it in the air fryer. I'm gonna put it in the rotating basket. So I'm gonna dump the French fries into the rotating basket. So this air fryer, you want to keep it unplugged. There's a lot of, it's a safety issue. So when you're not using it, it's going to blink as a reminder to unplug it. It's not a Pampered Chef thing. It's a industry thing that just for safety, they ask that you keep this unplugged when you're not using it. So I am going to go ahead and put this right inside as if I was doing a rotisserie. Put it on custom for 10 minutes. Switch it to 10. You're going to hit it, then go to 325, hit it again, and then it's going to start, and then you're going to hit rotate. And this will rotate the basket. So now that that is done, I'm going to hit cancel. Now you're going to put it on air fry. You're going to hit the button and change it to 18. Hit it again, because you're going to stay at 400, because that's the automatic air fry setting. And then hit rotate again, and then it's going to finish it. And like I said, it's going to beep at half, so in case you're using the trays, you'll be able to swap the trays. So I use this little dingy piece, bring it over here. This is our silicone trivet. It's a set of 3, but they are nesting, and so there's 3 different sizes, and they work really well together. This is our microwave grip set. This works great. I hold on to it, pop this right open, put it in the bowl, and you've got French fries. I sometimes put a little bit more salt or a little bit more garlic Parmesan seasoning. Stir it all up and enjoy. Let's get cooking. Dinner is ready with Debbie.